Hi, this is Rozani. Let's add some paper napkin color to these little chickadee egg shapes. Here we go. I previously used white paper napkin pieces that I allowed to dry. And oh, how I love yellow. Now I'm going to put that color over the surface. But when this dries, you could continue to add any color that you like. Outline it, paint on it, use markers or craft paints, or you can decorate it however you like. But this provides a nice color, and these are 2-ply napkins. So this is the little yellow one, and it's a lot of fun to do. It's very relaxing for me. You can make them in different sizes, of course. These are great for putting into little Easter baskets or floral arrangements and wreaths. I know these are not true chickadee colors, but it's just what I wanted to do to these cute little egg birds. Now, they don't have to be all one solid color, of course. You can go back in and paint the eyes or use little beads. Make the beak a different color. And here's a blue one. We're going to do the same thing. Just dampen with liquid starch and smooth it out. Only use a little bit because you don't want to saturate it because it will dissolve. You can make so many of these things, and not just for yourself, but with your family. And have a good time of it. To find out the true color of chickadees, just Google chickadee. It's fun to add colors, no matter what type of birds you make. Now I'm going to add some color to the beak with the yellow, just to give you an idea of what can be done. And you can see I've already put two little dots there for the eyes, for starters. And there we go. It's that easy. But we do need to let them dry. So we'll just set them aside. I like to use these little caps to hold them. I hope you'll give these a try using plastic Easter eggs. I thank you for being here with me and hope to see you next time. Bye for now and have a happy Easter.